trail winds around. Hold up. The trail is not lined around. The trail goes straight up the side of the mountain.
This looks like the fake top.